Many folks ask if they need a permit to do a kitchen and bathroom renovation. The answer is it depends what kind of work you will need. If it is a construction work, that includes removing wall, 1, 2 walls, whatever it is, most likely you need a permit. If you're just changing a door from one door to another door with no framing included, it's the exactly same spot, you don't need a permit. If you're going to remove the cabinets and you're putting the cabinets right back where they were, you don't need the permit. If you're going to remove the cabinets but move the plumbing, move the electrical, remove a wall, again, it becomes more structural. Yes, you do need a permit. We always do an engineer report as well to make sure that if we do anything that is construction related, meaning removing wall, is framing and so on, so that we all understand what the expectations are to safely do the remodel. And that's what the cities go by as well, right? They take into consideration the report and what the beam will need to be and so on and so forth, how to get there, and they make sure that is implemented. Again, if the remodel includes major changing of your existing kitchen, yes, you need a permit. If you're just removing the cabinetry and the countertop to put it right back where it was, no, you don't. So it depends. That will be a client specification. Once they have the engineer report, some wants to be hands-on, so that they want to call and make sure they ask all the right questions and all. At that point, we will let them handle that. Others say, I want nothing to do. So at that point, we will handle with the city. We will make the necessary paperwork that needs to be done, applications and so on, and we'll turn it in and get the permits and stick it on the window.